Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video inside text edit on CapCut PC. That's what I meant. Select your video and select text and add in this default text, and you're just going to type in your text here. Just going to type Valorant, and I'm also going to change the font of it. I'm just going to choose this one for mine, and then I am actually going to then go to library, and I'm going to add in a black background for it. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and select this video and add it on top. Select blend mode and select darken. You can move it around if you want. I'm just going to leave it like this. And that is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please share this with your friends and stuff, so it could be useful for them too. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.